Hi guys, it's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to search a site on Google. So this is a very handy little tip if there's something specific you're looking for on a certain website. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, we need to open up our internet browser. And what we want to do is just come across to google.com. And what you need to do, the first thing you need to actually type into the search bar is site. And then you need to put the code on the 2 dots. And then if you put a space and you put the name of the website that you want to search. So for example, I could put So say I wanted to search on the Guardian website. So what you would do is put site, 2 double dots, and then www. Whatever the site is that you're looking to search, .com.co.uk. And then after that, you need to put a space and put the keyword for the type of topic you're looking for. So for example, if I was looking for technology, I would just put technology. So this is how it's going to look, and obviously you would put your website and the topic you're looking for after, and then hit the enter key, and you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to display all the results related to that website, and you can see it's got all the keyword technology. That's all coming up there. See if I scroll down the results. So you can do this for anything really. I can change that to business. You'll see it's the same again. So what you need to do is put site, 2 dots, like a colon, and then you put the website address in here, and then you do a space, and then you put the keyword for what you're looking for on that specific website. Hit the enter key, and that's going to display all the results. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.